I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution of question 17b, page 20. For f of x equals to x squared minus 4x plus 1, find equation of tangent line at x equals to 3 and at x equals to 5. Now whenever you want to find equation of tangent line at more than one point, it is better to do general equation for the tangent and then find specific slope and get the equation, right? So we'll find slope at any point a. So we'll find slope at x equals to a, any point x equals to a on this particular graph. So we can write down this as the limit h approaches 0, f of, since a is the general point, a plus h minus f of a divided by h, right? So we can now write this as equal to, let's do it here. So we have limit h approaches 0. A plus h means we'll replace x with a plus h. So we get a plus h whole square minus 4 times a plus h plus 1 minus, so this is fa plus h, let me write it in brackets, minus f of a, that means replace x with a. So we get a square minus 4a plus 1 divided by h. So that gives us limit h approaches 0. And let's expand this. We get a square plus 2ah plus h square minus 4a minus 4h plus 1. Take away a square minus 4a plus 1 over h. So from here you see some of the terms get cancelled, especially these three terms, a square with a square, 4a with minus signs, and 1. And then we can simplify the given expression and write this as limit h approaches 0 of 2ah plus h square minus 4h, right? Minus 4h divided by h. Now here h is common, so I could write this as limit h approaches 0, h common, 2a plus h minus 4 over h. Now that gives us h and h cancel out. So now we can substitute h as 0 and find the general equation, which is 2a minus 4. So 2a minus 4 is slope of any tangent on this curve at a point x equals to a. What we need to find is equation of tangent line at x equals to 3 and x equals to 5. So what we can now find is slope m at x equals to 3. So that will be equals to 2 times 3 minus 4, which is 6 minus 4 equals to 2. And also slope at x equals to 5, that will be 2 times 5 minus 4, which is 10, minus 4, which is 6. So you see how important it is to find a general equation and then get the slopes for different points. Now let us find the equation of lines. So let's find the equation of both these tangents. So let's begin with the first line, which is x equals to 3. So at x equals to, tangent line at x equals to 3. So at x equals to 3 we should find what the point is also. So first is f of 3 is equals to, substitute 3 here, so we get 3 square minus 4 times 3 plus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Minus 12 gives us minus 2. So the point is 3 and minus 2. And we also know slope at 3 is 2. So m is equals to 2. So now we can write down the equation, which is y equals to 2x plus b. Using the point 3 and minus 2, we get minus 2 equals to 2 times 3 plus b, or minus 2 minus 6 equals to b, that is minus 8. So the equation of the tangent line is y equals to 2x minus 8. So that is the first equation. Now let us find equation of the second line. So for the second line, f of 5 is how much? So f of 5 is equals to 5 square minus 4 times 5 plus 1, that is 25 minus 20 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the point for us is 5 and 6. And we know slope m is equals to 6. So we can use the equation y equals to slope 6x plus b. To find b, let's substitute 5 and 6. 6 equals to 6 times 5 plus b. 6 minus 30 equals to b. And that value is minus 24. Therefore, the equation is y equals to 6x minus 24, right? So that becomes the equation. So these are the two equations. The second equation is that x equals to 5 for the tangent, and the first one is at x equals to 3 for the tangent. So I hope with this you understand all the steps involved in solving such questions. Also follow the link so that you can connect it with the part A. Thank you and all the best.